Guys, most AI video tools still feel like you're fighting the system instead of actually creating something. Because you write a prompt, hit generate, tweak it again, and somehow you're still not fully in control of what's happening on screen. And if we are being honest, the biggest issue is always the same. You can describe the idea, but you can't really direct it properly. So movements feel off, objects lose shape, and sound is always something you have to fix later. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are testing something that changes this workflow in a pretty big way. This is Seedance 2.0 inside MakeUGC, a model that lets you combine text, images, video, and even audio, so you can actually control what's happening in your scene instead of just hoping for a good result. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start with a use case that is really useful for online businesses. UGC videos for entire websites. I like this case because you are not just promoting one product image. You can take a full website page and turn it into a creator-style video that explains the service in a more natural way. For this demo, I want to promote a website for organic products. So I upload a screenshot of the page, and this becomes the main visual reference for the scene. For me, this is a good way to show a healthy food online store without filming a real website review from scratch. After uploading the screenshot, I fill in the website description field. Here I clearly explain the interface details and what the video should focus on: fresh vegetables, cold-pressed juice, and eco-friendly packaging. Mates, this helps the AI understand the visual focus of the page. It also helps the model calculate the screen angle, add reflections, and keep the color palette feeling natural, instead of making the website look pasted into the frame. Then I move to the dialogue field. I keep the message short and honest. No complicated advertising slogans. Just a simple recommendation about fast delivery, fresh products, and personal experience using the store. Friends, that removes the fake ad feeling and creates the impression that a real creator is sharing a favorite online service from a cozy home workspace. Now I click recreate and wait for the result. And here's the finished video. Let's watch it.
Looking to eat fresh without the hassle?
This organic store has been my go-to. Their home delivery is incredibly fast, and everything arrives farm fresh. And thanks to Panatic arrives farm fresh.
You have to check them out.
For me, this is a strong result. The website is integrated into the scene naturally, the creator-style setup feels casual, and the whole video works as a simple UGC promo for a healthy food store. Next, folks, let's try the second use case. The next summer trend is the swimwear review format, so let's create that. I choose a popular swimwear format for this year and use it as the basis for a short UGC-style review. What I want to check here is how MakeUGC and its models handle this kind of content: the fabric, lighting, body movement, and the overall social media look. I send it to generation and wait for the result. And here it is.
Honestly, this bikini is everything. The fabric is so soft and the fit is incredibly flattering. I am obsessed.
The output looks strong for this kind of trend format. It feels quick, visual, and close to the type of swimwear review people are used to seeing in short-form content. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now folks, here's where things get much more interesting, because you're not limited to one type of content. MakeUGC already includes a full content library with ready-made flows for different industries and formats. For example, let's open the tech electronics category and test a more dynamic product workflow. I'll take this template, upload an iPhone 17 Pro image, and generate the result using Seedance 2.0.
Bold color, precision engineering, power that moves with you. Every detail carved from innovation. The future glows in orange.
And honestly guys, this already feels completely different from the website promo and swimwear review we created earlier. The pacing is faster, the motion is sharper, and the whole thing looks much closer to modern tech advertising on TikTok or Instagram. Next, mates, let's try something else entirely. An AI fitness app promo. I upload a smartphone screenshot with the Kinetics AI interface, add a short dialogue prompt, and generate the scene.
Having an AI trainer right in my pocket changes everything. It adjusts my targets mid-workout based on my heart rate. Look at these stats from today's session. Insane accurate.
And this is where the flexibility really starts to show. Instead of just animating products, the system can also generate app-style UGC content with dialogue, reactions, and realistic phone interaction. This time I'll use a fashion-style template with futuristic geometric sunglasses. I upload the image, add a short product description and dialogue, and run another generation. And meanwhile, we already have the earlier UGC results ready as well. Friends, this is the biggest advantage here. You can rapidly test multiple niches, formats, and creative directions without rebuilding everything manually every time. Instead of spending hours creating one polished ad, you can generate multiple UGC concepts for tech, fashion, supplements, cosmetics, gadgets, and lifestyle products inside the same workflow. Now we can enhance the scene even more using voice settings. Inside models like Nova 2, you can choose voice type, emotion, gender, and language. This allows you to match the tone of your content with your product. For example, a premium product might need a calm, controlled voice, while a lifestyle product might need something more energetic and expressive. We send everything to generation and wait for the final result.
This is exactly what I needed today. The taste is simply incredible.
And mates, when it's ready, this is where everything comes together. You get a video where the product looks real, the motion is smooth, the interaction is stable, and the sound matches the scene naturally. At this point, it doesn't feel like generated content anymore. It feels like something that was actually filmed with a real camera. And that's the biggest shift here. As you can see, you are no longer just generating content, you're controlling how it behaves, how it evolves, and how it fits your creative idea. So guys, what MakeUGC really changes is control, because you're no longer just writing prompts and hoping for a good result, but actually directing how the scene behaves from start to finish. Instead of dealing with broken motion or inconsistent visuals, you get a system that understands interaction, physics, and continuity. And for things like ads or UGC content, that makes a huge difference, because realism and consistency are what make the content believable. If you're working with product videos or anything that needs to look natural and polished, this is definitely something worth trying. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.